What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy. Today what I'm gonna be doing for y'all is installing a strut bar. I got one from Megan Racing, but I got it off Amazon. Pretty lightweight too. Kind of want lightweight things, especially if you got something going in your car, in your engine bay, on the car, because you don't want to gain too much weight from these aftermarket products. But this is the strut bar. Yeah, you see the packaging on it. Package is pretty good. I can't complain about that. It seems like they really want to take care of it. Hopefully they can meet all of your racing needs. So guys, this is the Megan Racing strut bar. And then they show you exactly what vehicle it fits. It doesn't show exact because this actually fits my year model as well. Mine's a 14, but they changed the name, and this one is standard for the 07 to 13. All right, guys. So the three things that you'll need in order to make the job as efficient as possible, especially on the G37, the coupes or G37s in general, you will need a wrench. You'll need an extension. Just to make it a little bit easier, you don't have to have the extension. Again, I'm just trying to make it as easy as possible and quick as possible. And you'll need a 12mm socket. And again, that's the only thing that's going to work because these are 12mm bolts. So to start out, what we'll need to do is pretty much take these brackets off. That's just by untwisting this bolt right here. And make sure that you don't lose that bolt, or make sure that you don't lose the washer that comes attached with it. So make sure you keep both those things in a secure location. And then on the other side, again, you can just pull that right through, and you have another washer over there. So again, make sure that you put it back the way that it's supposed to go, and make sure that you don't lose any washers. And make sure that you hold this, because it will drop when you pull it out. There we go. That's your bracket. You have two sides on the struts, or you have two struts and two sides. Make sure that you put it on the right side, because you will be mad that you have to go back and redo it. Alright guys, go ahead and pop the hood. Got my wrench and socket on me. Got my brackets on me. The actual strut bar is in the crib, so I'm gonna get that afterwards. Brackets are going to go right here, one, and then right here, two, so you have to snake it through that wiring harness over here. So let me go ahead and get to taking some of these bolts off. That one loose. That one loose. Got this one loose over here. Sorry guys, it's a little bit easier when you do it without a camera in your hand. After you break those bolts, just go ahead and take them fully off. And make sure that you put them in a location where you can remember where they're at, and two, that they won't slide off, get lost somewhere. Be careful about the third bolt in the back because it's a little close to the edge, so you want make sure, and especially if the engine is hot, make sure that you don't burn your hand or anything. Where your high pressure AC line is right here, and these metal objects, they tend to get a little warm, so you want to make sure that you're not burning yourself or anything. But as you can see, you have the bolts off now. Yeah, guys, just make sure because your wiring harnesses can get in the way a little bit, but they're wired, so wired and covered by plastic, so don't worry about moving. And then once you finish that, you just go ahead and throw your bolts back on. And just make sure that they're as tight as possible and as flush as possible. And this one right here, and after you get it on, you can just kind of hit it with the 12mm once again. Make sure that all these are at least hand tight first. Then get your wrench again and make sure that they're tight. Put a good amount of foot-pound pressure on it. And I'm gonna do that to the other side exactly the same. All right, guys, so I'm back. My phone had died, so sorry if you didn't see the installation of the actual bar, but I did get her in. Now I just need to tighten her down, and this is pretty much what she'll look like. Clean, and make sure that those are tight, and make sure this is tight. Again, I'm about to do that right before I get on the road. So what this will do, again, the strut tower bar, is just to enhance the handling of the vehicle, especially cornering on you know, when you're kind of going a little faster, trying to turn the vehicle. Either way, all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, it'll definitely help front-wheel drive as well. It also helps with any type of body roll, so if a lot of the weight shifts, this can actually help that by putting a lot of the force into the actual bar instead of here on your struts or any of your suspension. Again, I'm gonna tighten these up, and please check out the rest of my channel. I got some good content up there and more content coming soon. Just keep a lookout. So guys, I'm driving the car now, and from first initial thoughts leaving the apartment complex, it feels like everything's getting a little bit tighter. Like my car is a little bit more responsive to any of the turns and the handling that I'm trying to get. I'm going to take it on the road a little bit more and see. Take this turn kind of hard right here and see how it reacts. Oh my God, that was that's pretty tight too. Man, that was tight. If you're looking to use your car as maybe on a track or just want to improve the handling in general, I would say definitely get a strut bar. I do recommend this because it feels like it's definitely worth it. But yeah, guys, thank you again for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.